If you've ever lost track of a clip, missed a good take, or spent hours syncing in post, you're not alone. In this video, you'll learn how to tag footage with metadata, generate proxy files, and sync directly to the cloud using the Blackmagic Camera App. So on page 1, you can tag each clip with scene and take numbers, reel name, shot type, custom clip names, and even flag your good takes. And on page 2, you can add production info, such as the project title, director's name, or camera label, such as camera A and/or camera B. So this matters because if you're recording in Apple ProRes, the metadata is embedded directly into your footage. And in apps like DaVinci Resolve or Final Cut and/or Premiere, you can see your metadata. That means faster editing and less guesswork in post. One common mistake to avoid is don't transcode your footage through third-party apps such as Handbrake, as you'll lose all that embedded metadata. So you're going to want to use this panel on interviews, multicam setups, or narrative work where clip management matters most. And the bottom line is the Slate and Metadata panel turns your phone into a proper production camera. The Blackmagic Cloud login section. This is where you sign into your Blackmagic Cloud account. The key to syncing footage, sharing projects, and collaborating in real time with editors using DaVinci Resolve. Once signed in, you can upload clips directly to cloud projects, auto-sync footage for remote editing, and share media instantly with your post team. So if you're working with a team or you just want a smoother handoff from shoot to edit, logging into the Blackmagic Cloud is a must. No more scrolling through your iPhone camera roll trying to guess which clip is which. The Blackmagic Camera App includes a fully featured media page built specifically for creators and crew. It's a dedicated browser with every clip you've shot, organized, labeled, and ready to manage. So what you'll see is a clean thumbnail grid of all your recordings, smart file names based on your Slate metadata, clip duration, and a visual preview frame. On the left-hand sidebar, you're going to see your iPhone model, total number of clips, and access to the Blackmagic Cloud for remote syncing. Up top, you've got a few key icons to work with. The photo library, this one takes you straight to your iPhone's camera roll. Multi-select, it's handy for selecting multiple clips at once and great for batch deleting or organizing. Sort and filter, use this to find specific clips, scenes, takes, or even the time they were shot. Cloud upload, this hooks into the Blackmagic Cloud so you can sync footage remotely. So the bottom line is the media page isn't just a playback tool, it's your entire mobile dailies workflow built right into your phone. Forget emails, texts, or chasing down Slack messages. Chats is a powerful feature inside the Blackmagic Camera App that lets you collaborate with your team directly through the project. Media settings. This panel controls how your footage is saved, named, uploaded, and organized. The first option is Record Proxy. Turn this on to record a lightweight, low-res proxy file alongside your full-quality master. So why use proxies? Faster cloud uploads, smoother editing on laptops and tablets, and it keeps your original ProRes files untouched. So a pro tip is that if you're working with remote editors or sharing it via the Blackmagic Cloud, enable this as it makes life easier for everyone. Next, we have Upload Clips, and here you get to choose what gets uploaded to the cloud. You have the option of originals only, proxies only, or both, which is the best of both worlds. Next is Live Sync. This uploads clips to the cloud while you're still recording. Perfect for live events, news shoots, or studio setups where editors need footage immediately. Just know it uses more battery and data. Next, we have Auto Upload to Selected Project. With this on, every new clip automatically syncs to your selected Blackmagic Cloud project. No dragging, no waiting, just shoot, sync, and edit. Great for team workflows or real-time remote editing. Next, we have Upload Only over Wi-Fi. If you're worried about burning through your mobile data plan, flip this on to restrict uploads to Wi-Fi only. Next, we have Save Clips To. This setting lets you choose where your footage gets saved to. The first option is the Blackmagic Camera App. The second option is In-App in Photos, which saves to your iPhone's photo library and the Blackmagic Camera App. And the final option is the Files app, which saves to your iCloud folder or to an external SSD. Next, we have Save Location Data to Clip. This adds a GPS tag to your footage. It's really handy for travel videos, documentaries, or organizing clips by location. You can turn it off at any time if privacy is a concern. And finally, we come to File Name Convention. This sets how your clips are named. The first option is the Blackmagic format, which is scene, take, reel, date, perfect for post. The other option is iOS format, which gives you your standard name plus a number behind it. I would suggest that you use the Blackmagic format for professional workflows, as it makes syncing, logging, and editing way easier later on. And that's it for this part of the Blackmagic Camera App series. Now that your clips are all organized, up next we're diving into pro settings. Be sure to hit the like button and drop a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one, guys.